All right, so we are in the tuning classes with Chuco. He's giving me the classes, but we're gonna do a spring wastegate pull. Let me show them so they see spring. Búscate el mapa del duty cycle. Para que no digan que no, que metió libra. No boost. Look, 0. This is spring wastegate pull. Spring wastegate pull. All right. So,
if you can, film the boost, film the gauge. The boost gauge.
spring wastegate. ¿6 cuánto? 647 and 555 pound-feet of torque at spring wastegate, que son ¿cuántas libras? 25 pounds. No, bueno, no, ese fue el peak.
Ese peak hace 21 libras.
21 pounds. At 21 pounds, because you see the pounds drop, they go down, which is the green one. The green one, they go up and they slow down. They start decreasing. So you said 21 pounds, right? So what is it again? 647 at 21 pounds. 555 pound-feet of torque. Damn! Mira, Chuco, ¿cómo está esa mezcla? Exotic. Yeah, papi. All right. So that's it. Everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the video.
Oh yeah, let me get that too, man. Oh, but yep.